Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the Hawaiian Ti plant. Ti plant. I think it's tea plant, so we'll go with that until somebody reprimands me. This is the green version, and I have this one in front of the house. Along with, let me just scan over here a few seconds. I planted these other two green ones over here in front of the house, and they seem about a couple of months ago, and they seem to be holding their own. So that's it for now. So let's get back to here. The reason I'm taking a picture of this, or actually doing a video of this, is because I notice a few things that are common with the Hawaiian Ti plant. One is the current blooms. These blooms, I didn't catch the flowers, like a pinkish color, more, but over time, the seeds develop. I didn't catch all the seeds on this initially, but I figured let me catch this. This is the first bloom of the season for 2020. And I have at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds that I can count. And what I'll do is just let those drop to the floor below the plant and see if they germinate. So, like I'm saying, let me look at the other ones. If there's another seed pod over here, I don't see anything, but this is the new growth coming out of the adjacent stem. And let me just look at over here. Oh, we'll just sneak down over here, and we notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds. So, like I say, we'll let Mother Nature take care of that. But another thing I wanted to point out that is most people, for some reason, grow these Hawaiian Ti plants and just don't do a thing to them. And if you go drive by a house, it drives me crazy because they become what they call leggy. And leggy is a rather simple thing to correct. All you have to do is just take one stem and make a cutting anywhere in the stem, preferably about 2/3 of the way down, so this way you get a nice new growth and it doubles up and it'll cover up with those blank spaces in it. But here on this one down here, let me just show you, there is new growth that's coming out over there. There's at least 2 or 3 stems there, and there's another one on the other side, but the one on the other side is from the seed that germinated about a year ago. But these little small ones over here, you can basically cut them with a little knife and then pot them up, and you'll have a whole new set of Hawaiian Ti plants. Now let me look at this one over here. This one is another example. You can actually cut it. Let me see. On the other side. There we go. Yeah. You can see down there. Let me get that out of the way. Yes, it's not too good. There you go. You can see it back there. Here we go. New leaf. Yeah, see it. Yeah, center of the thing. You can actually cut that one off there and take a rooting hormone, pot it up, and put it on the side, and you get another plant. As with the little green one that's right here. See it? That one right here. That's another one. You can take the cutting from that one. And basically, they're rather simple to deal with. And they're very rewarding plants. This is the green version, and I have several of them. I have yet to get seeds from the pink version. I don't know if they're a little late in blooming, but I have no problem waiting. I've been waiting for years. So that's it from Marty at the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, and please subscribe to the channel. So, like I say, I could brag to my little grandchildren. Thank you for stopping by. Enjoyed your visit. Thank you. Bye-bye.